Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a monthly Trader Joe's haul. This is not everything we consume in the month, but it is a lot of things that we did need that are actually things that won't spoil, but there are some things that we'll consume within the next week or so, or they'll last longer. So I picked those items up. We do fillers in throughout the month at a local grocery store and meat store, and then we also just pick up things here and there if we need it. But this is everything we need. It doesn't include meat, so any animal products. There is two or three animal products. So we'll start with that. We have this sweet apple, pure Vermont maple syrup chicken sausage that we're gonna make for a weekend dinner one night, just because we have an event going on, I know, this month, and it's on a Saturday, and there's just really not gonna be a whole lot of time to either make anything big or go to a restaurant because we'll be exhausted. So I picked up that. I picked up some tuna steaks. I do like getting my fish from Trader Joe's. I haven't found a better store or grocery store because everything is wild caught, and I like that. So I picked up the tuna steaks and I picked up the salmon. And we are a family of 4, but my daughter and my husband don't eat fish, but my son and I do. I picked up an organic spaghetti squash. These were slightly a little bit more than the regular, and I would have got the regular, but they looked better. So I got that, and I'm gonna make some type of Italian pasta with it. So if you want a recipe for that recipe video, or even a blog post, let me know in the comments below, and I will do that for you. I do have a spaghetti squash Mexican recipe on my page. So, or on my YouTube page, I should say. So look for that, and it's really yummy, delicious. I picked up some Granny Smith apples because it is fall and we bake with a lot of apples and cook. Some regular apples. I wanted caramel sauce, so we are gonna have to pick that up at a local store. I picked up some buttermilk milk for pancakes and for also for muffins. I picked up some grilled artichoke halves for snacking. We like to do this with olives, and I got green olives this month over at Costco. I do usually pick up the Kalamata olives at Trader Joe's, but apparently they were out. So, and I get them at Vitacost if they're out there, but I didn't know that. So I already did my Vitacost haul for the month, so I'm gonna have to just improvise. I got dill pickles. I got some whole organic cranberries and raisins. That's great for snacking, for baking, and all that good stuff. I got some peppers because we have an event in a couple days, and I'm gonna dice these peppers up and make like a little veggie tray. And some organic lemons, and a cucumber, and this is gonna be for the veggie tray as well. I got a pomegranate. I like these in my smoothies. I also like them for snacking and for baking and for cooking. I got some shallots. I'm gonna need this for a soup that I'm gonna make this month. I'm gonna make a Wisconsin cheddar cauliflower soup. The recipe is on my blog, but I didn't get the cauliflower because I was afraid. I don't know what weekend I'm gonna make it yet. I know I'm gonna make it this month, but I didn't want the cauliflower to get bad. So that's like one item that I'll probably pick. Well, I have to, not probably. I have to pick up sometime when I'm ready to make it. I got some salsa. I also got some cards. They have really pretty cards right now. So I have a couple birthdays in the month of November. So I thought this was really pretty. And it says thankful, and I'll say something like, I'm thankful for you. I also have another birthday in November for my husband. And I thought this was really, really cute because it's got a football theme on it. And then I have one actually on Halloween, and I'm filming this right before Halloween. So isn't this really pretty? Like, I feel like you can like put it in a frame and it's really pretty. It's so vintage. So yeah, I picked up some mini marshmallows for hot cocoa because it is cold in November. We like hot cocoa, and these are vegan. Yay! So they're gluten-free and vegan, so they're perfect. I picked some organic corn chip dippers up. And my husband usually picks up like all the chips and snacky foods. I do get some things at Costco, but he usually picks it up. And if I don't get it there, if there's a great deal on Amazon, I pick it up. If you guys are interested in an Amazon grocery haul, let me know, because I do pick up a lot of things from Amazon. Let me know in the comments below as well. I picked up some Jack Cheddar cheese. I picked up some Wisconsin Sharp cheese and some Gorilla cheese, I think that's how you say it. Gorilla cheese, Swiss Gorilla cheese. Can you see that? I don't even know how to pronounce my cheeses, but this is good cheese. I'm gonna make a nice November dish with that, and some lettuce, There is my phone. Give me 1 second to answer that. Okay, that was nobody special. Sorry about that. Usually I turn off my ringer when I'm filming, but I don't know where my head's been these days. So I picked up some organic celery hearts for that veggie tray as well. Some whipped cream cheese. We like to make like a pumpkin cream cheese and put it on bagels. And I buy the gluten-free because I can eat the gluten-free, but my kids know no different. Hopefully they don't watch this video and they love it. So if you're interested in a video or even a blog post on how we make that, let me know in the comments below. You have a lot of comments to make this month. I picked up these really cute cranberry chicken rice bites, and they're made with no grains, which I like. And if you go in the back, there's like very little ingredients. So I just thought these were a good treat for my dog. I usually buy the Costco biscuits, but you know, they're you know, creatures. They get sick of things too. So I'm going to change it up. We'll see if they like it. Now my yellow lab is really, really picky. My brown lab could care less what it is. He eats everything. So he's not picky at all. And I picked up some cacao or cocoa powder to make hot cocoa. I picked up hot dog buns. These are not gluten-free, but I don't eat meat. So the boys are going to have that with those little apple sausages, some gluten-free bread. I store this in the freezer and just do toast with it. I make tuna sandwiches with it and all that good stuff. I picked up some of these beef sticks. I like to give these to my son when he has longer days at school, just as a little snack. He does have a later lunch, but he has his like athletic gym class in the morning, and he told me that he gets sometimes hungry mid-morning. So this is like a nice, easy, and it's free-range turkey, and they have grass-fed beef sticks. I mean, they're not the best choice, but I think just to tie him over, because I think his lunch is around between like 12:45 and 1:30. So that's later for him. So these will be good for him. I picked up some carrots and of course some onions, which are a staple. So this is what I bought at Trader Joe's. Like I said in the comments, if you want any other videos like grocery hauls from like Amazon, what I buy at Amazon, because there are a couple things that are staples that I buy on through Amazon. And then like I said, my husband does do the meat shopping now. I don't have to do that anymore. I know if you watch my past videos, I always had that, but now he likes to do that. And then he gets like all the snacks, the almond milk and yogurts and things like that. If you want to ever see a grocery haul from him, let me know in the comments and I'll see what I can get out of him. I hope you're having a great day, and I will talk to you guys real soon.